I'm Brett Panter from the personal injury law firm of Panter and Sampedro, here today to talk about sport-related injuries. You know, sports as we know them can lead to injuries, there's no doubt about it. And there also can be injuries that are a result of negligence, such as failure to properly train, inadequate supervision, improper equipment, improper return to play. What we mean by that is in the summertime here, it's very hot, and coaches have an obligation to recognize that and make sure their players are hydrated well, and each of us should know about that as well. Failure to have an emergency medical plan, it's really important. And there are certain elements with respect to sports-related injuries, such as duty, the responsibility. There has to be a duty involved before we can bring a case. Then there has to be a breach of that duty. And then there has to be a causation, meaning that the breach in the duty and the injury were causally related to the negligence. And then finally there has to be damages. But the bottom line here is that all sports injuries, or most sport injuries, can be avoided with proper training and education for each of us, for the teachers, for the coaches, and for the players themselves. Education is key. And down here in South Florida, where we have good weather and a lot of heat, we can avoid these injuries and enjoy sports and enjoy our health.